BlimX is production SaaS for autonomous sales agents. This is a live AQS appliances repair site with the BlimX widget embedded on repair.aqsappliances.com. Lead capture runs first. The visitor enters name, email, and phone in the widget form and submits. Every contact is stored before the sales conversation begins. The customer opens chat. The agent greets them by name and starts qualifying the request inside the same widget. They select washer repair. The agent asks residential or commercial, then guides the customer through structured service options. Residential, top-load washer, LG brand. The agent collects model details so the technician arrives prepared. The customer skips the photo step and selects symptoms. Clothes too wet, error on display. The agent keeps drilling down with focused questions. How long has this been happening? Is the washer inoperable? The agent qualifies urgency and access without a human on the phone. House location, easy access, prior repairs, warranty status. This is real lead qualification inside the conversation. The agent explains pricing transparently. Diagnostic fee, no hidden charges, customer decides on the spot. Trust built into the flow. Urgency is next 2 days. The customer chooses contact me instead of instant booking. The agent closes professionally and offers book appointment as the next step. Now the owner view on app.blimx.ai. The AQS Appliances agent dashboard shows conversations today, leads captured, and response time under 3 seconds. In leads, the new contact appears at the top. Name, email, phone, source chatbot, status new. Over 100 leads captured on this agent. In conversations, the owner opens the full transcript. Every question, every answer. From service selection through pricing and contact preference. Complete visibility, that is BlimX SaaS. Lead capture, qualification, and conversion in production.